guys, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we are going to be showing you how to make DIY at home Lysol wipes for $3. Yes, this is a really great hack. I think I saw it on Instagram, or it was like a TikTok video. Really inexpensive to do, and it's actually really fantastic if you cannot track down Lysol wipes in your town. So heading over to the Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these, which is a multi-surface cleaner by Lysol, exactly $1. And then one of these 8-cup plastic containers, and this specific one you're going to need, and again, it's $1. How fantastic is that? Alternatively, you could use like a coffee container if you might have an empty one at your house, and then a roll of Viva paper towel. I would go with the more expensive Bounty or Viva, just to keep the integrity of the paper so it doesn't just like fall apart when you make it. Okay guys, so here is a roll of Viva, and as you can see, this is the one that I'm using, and it is pretty heavy duty. That's what you're going to need. You're going to need a half a cup for measuring the multi-surface cleaner, a big bowl to mix the concoction, and then our container from the Dollar Tree that was exactly $1. Oh my gosh. And this is pretty easy to put together as well. And you can alternatively use a coffee can if you might have one. And then this is the multi-surface cleaner by Lysol. And if you're a couponer, you probably have this in your stockpile. Let's get real. So the paper towel, you're going to cut it in half, and then boom, here it is. Kind of a messy one, but it will do. And there it is, cut in half. And now we're going to try and squeeze this into our container. This takes a little bit of muscle, so if you're in a really bad mood, take all your aggression out on this, because it's going to take a lot of squeezing and pushing, and it's a little bit of a, you got to get your muscles out for this one, but I got it in there pretty quickly, and there it is. And then I'm going to put 3.5 cups of warm water into my mixing bowl. And there it is, 3.5 cups. And to that, we're going to be adding half a cup of this Lysol multi-surface cleaner. Measure it in there. You don't even need to mix it. There it is. There's your concoction. Now, just pour it in very gently into your container. And there you have it. And so what you're going to do is wait about 10 minutes for it to cool down. What I did to make sure that nobody goes and uses this is I took this label from an emptier Lysol wipe, and I just wanted to tape that on, so that was kind of a cinch to do. And just so I wouldn't grab it thinking it was something else, or my husband would grab it thinking it's something else. And a little bit of cutting finesse work there. Pretty easy to do. And then just use a little bit of tape and then just affix the label. And there it is. Boom. I didn't go too crazy with the tape, but you get what I'm doing here. And now I'm going to take out the center. When it's all wet, it is a cinch to do. And there you can just start pulling your wipes. Now, just to show you the difference between homemade and the actual Lysol wipes. So there's my homemade one. And here is one from the Lysol wipe container. Lysol is a little larger, but it does the same job. And Lysol wipes or Clorox wipes are so hard to track down now. So this might be something to do like a DIY at home. And just to let you know, I did this earlier in the week, and I've been using my little Lysol wipes in my bathroom every other day. And the integrity of the paper, it's still really good. Like, it hasn't started deteriorating or anything like that. I would probably use these within a month, because you don't want it, like, under your sink for like 6 years or something like that, because it would probably become like a pulp. But if you use it within 4 weeks, you should be great. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.